Hey everyone, welcome back to Devices Setup. If your Wi-Fi speed drops in the corners of your home or some devices keep losing signal, then don't worry. Today I'll show you how to set up the TP-Link BE3200 Wi-Fi 7 range extender model RE223BE step by step. This powerful extender boosts your Wi-Fi 7 signal and eliminates dead zones in minutes. And trust me, the setup is super easy. So let's jump right into it. First things first, take your TP-Link BE3200 extender out of the box. You will find the extender itself, a quick start guide, and sometimes an Ethernet cable depending upon your region. Now plug the extender into a wall socket, ideally close to your main Wi-Fi router for the initial setup. Wait for about 30 seconds until the power LED turns solid on. Now that means your extender is powered and ready to connect. Next, on your phone, tablet or laptop, go to the Wi-Fi settings and look for new network that says TP-Link _extender. So tap on it to connect to it. And you don't need a password for this step. Once connected, open any browser like Chrome, Safari or Edge and type in TP-Link or 192.168.0.254 into the address bar, then press enter, and that will take you to your TP-Link extender setup page. You will now see the login screen. The default username and password are both admin in all lowercase. So type them in and click login. So once you are in, the first option that you will see is to select your time zone. Next, the extender will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Wait a few seconds and you will see a list of all nearby Wi-Fi names. From this list, select your main router's Wi-Fi name or SSID. First, it will ask for 5 GHz name and password, followed by 2.4 GHz name and its password. On the next screen, it will ask you to turn on auto update for the automatic firmware update, which I also recommend. And you can select the night time for this, as we might not be using it during those hours. And here I would like to mention one very interesting feature provided by TP-Link, which says if the extender detects anyone is using the internet at the time of the update, then the update will be rescheduled for the next day. Isn't it cool? Anyways, on the next screen, you can customize your extender's network name if you like, or keep the default one, and finally hit save or next. Your TP-Link BE3200 extender will now apply the settings and reboot. This takes about 1 to 2 minutes. When the LED indicators turn solid green or blue depending on your model's color scheme, so that means the connection is successful. If you see a red or orange light, that means it's too far away from the router, so move it closer and try again. Once everything is set up, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. Watch video given in the description which explains briefly the common mistakes that people make while placing the extender after the setup. Now here I would like to share with you all a pro tip. So if you want even better performance from your extender, especially for gaming or 4K streaming, then connect the extender to your router using an Ethernet cable and switch it to an access point mode in the settings. You will find these videos given in the description which explains why access point is faster and how to set up your TP-Link extender in access point mode. And that's it, your TP-Link BE3200 Wi-Fi 7 range extender RE223BE is now fully set up and boosting your network like a champ. No more lag, no more drops, just smooth Wi-Fi in every corner. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Devices Setup and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the future Wi-Fi setup guides and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching and have a great lag-free day.